Before we jump into what is agentic AI, let's imagine we are in the side of the ketchup factory. So we start from fresh red tomatoes, and then in the end, we get bottles of delicious ketchup. So what just happened? We went from condition A, which is raw materials, to condition B, which is ready-to-eat ketchup. In between, something cool happened, value added. We saved the time, saved the money, and make some people love to eat. So to do this, factory actually uses different tools. A grinder to crush the tomato, a cooker to heat them, and the filler to put the ketchup into the bottles. But that's not all. So for example, the factory also needs to make some decisions, like what would be the temperature that the the tomato is heated up, and for how long. So this needs control panel to make these decisions. Normally it's defined by human being, but a smarter system can even make this change, make these settings depend on how fresh or how sweet the tomatoes are. So here's another cool thing. Let's say today's tomato is a little bit sour. The system can taste them by using sensors or sweetness measurement. And we have to do some decisions. We add some sugars to keep the ketchup tasting just right. That means the system is interacting with the environment. Plus, everything is recorded. So no matter what you have done in this system, in this factory system, you have to keep record. So for example, how much was made and what has been added and then at what time. This is the system's memory. It helps us to check what happened, fix the problem, and improve things next time. And of course, there's always human being in the loop. So if someone checks the final ketchup, something wrong, and we will improve the system and help the system to learn and do better next time. So this is a good example of automation using machines, tools, and simple rules to get work done. Okay, let's have a look on another scenario. Okay, so think about something different. So you are going to planning a trip to another country. What do you need? You need visa, flight tickets, and hotels, and plan what to do. And of course, check the weather as well. So a basic computer can help, but it also has some limitations. Okay, so the computer, you can just search the flight tickets, compare different prices, and rank them and choose the better one. But what if a coupon is hidden in a blog post? And what if a hotel review is written in a tricky way, maybe in a hilarious way, or sarcasm? So that's something human being can understand, but a simple machine cannot understand at all. So you need a smarter system to help you to understand these things. So this is where the agentic AI comes in. Agentic AI is quite new things of smart computer. Is powered by the large language model, which you've already heard of it, and you're actually using it every day. So the technology behind the ChatGPT is large language model. So which large language model, a computer can understand the human language just like us. So for example, in the factory, it can have a look and take a picture of the tomato and decide what recipe to use. So in the trip planning, it can read reviews, find the coupons on the paragraphs, plan your whole day. And even smarter, it can help you to write a summary email to you. So what actually are the regular automation and the agentic AI? So what makes agentic AI so different? So first, it can make a plan. So rather than defining all the steps by ourselves, so it can doing some planning and decision making step by step on how to get things done. And second, it uses tools like websites, calculators, and even checking the weather. And And the third one, it interacts with what's happening. So for example, if the weather has changes again, and it can help you to change your trip plan as well. So rather than going outside and for hiking, you can go to a museum. Just like changing the recipe when the tomatoes look different or taste different. So the fourth one, it remembers and learns. It can keep track of what has been working and what didn't. And it related to the next one, which is it always works with people. So if you can give a feedback and it improves next time based on what happened before. So agentic AI is more like a supercharged automation. It's smart enough to plan, reason, make a decision making, and understand messy, unclear, undefined information like emails, photos, and texts. So with that, it helps us save our time, save our money, and we can live better lives. So thanks to agentic AI, the future now is not just a machine doing things. Agentic AI actually is more like our teammate to help you to do things together. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you next time.